How to check billing summary and due date on Geico. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, for billing and summary, you will need to activate your policy. Make sure you make your policy online account. After you've made your account, log into your account. You'll find all these options. You can click on the three lines at the top right. There you'll find billing. You can click on it and then view your current balance, due date, your payment history, all in one place. And also, when you pay your bill, it may take you to a different site owned by Assurant Specialty Property, not Geico, so make sure you pay. And after that, you can go to the billing summary section and see all your billing. This is how to check billing summary and due date on Geico. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.